Okay, so this just happened today. I complimented an older man on his t-shirt. He was like in his 70s or something. We got talking, and then he mentioned that he rescued a squirrel that he's taking care of right now in his home. So I said, "Oh, is your squirrel at home right now?" He's like, "Yeah." I was like, "Can I see it?" And he's like, "Yeah, sure." So he invited me into his home to meet his pet squirrel. I guess it's a pet squirrel now, which, by the way, they don't make good pets. I Googled it. And that's just because I talked to him. I complimented him on his t-shirt, and then I got to have this lovely moment in which I met a squirrel, which, I mean, that never happens. It was so sweet. And so I want you to remember that. Not the squirrel specifically, but when you talk to a stranger, it can lead to wonderful things. It could be a little thing like meeting a squirrel, but it can lead to a great friendship, a professional opportunity, meeting the love of your life potentially. Maybe you make a friend and he introduces you to a woman. Like, so much can happen, but like, it's crazy the amount of opportunities that you miss out on by not talking to strangers. And I know it's just a squirrel. Like, who cares? Well, I care. Because I think squirrels are super cute. And I never got to see a squirrel up close like that. He was in a cage. I don't know if it's good for him. But it was so nice. I loved it. Just because I literally asked the guy if he could invite me into his home. And he said yes. I don't know if we're going to be friends or not. But it was a nice moment. And if something so small can happen, like, bigger things can happen too. And even if nothing comes out of it, at least you have a nice chat. And it can make your day. It can make your day. And you can make someone else's day as well. So, go out and meet some squirrels. Like, go out and talk to some strangers. See what happens. And take the risk of asking. Like, can I meet your squirrel? Or can I whatever? I mean, keep it appropriate, of course. But sometimes you just need to ask. And cool shit happens.